How to get Snapchat dark mode on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Snapchat dark mode on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get dark mode for Snapchat on Android, all you have to do is first of all make sure you've updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, because this is a new update. Once you've done that, go ahead and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are simply signed into your account like this. Now what you want to do is just tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen, and as you can currently see that I'm on the lighter theme. So what you want to do is basically you want to make sure to tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the gear icon located from the top right, just scroll and then here you'll find this option known as app appearance. Just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on app appearance, right over here you'll be able to find this option known as always dark. So you want to make sure to tap on always dark. Now go ahead and restart your application. Once you restart it, you'll be able to notice that we are on the darker theme on Snapchat. That's all it takes to actually get dark mode on Snapchat on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.